Avinash is asking, is grammar important in CAT VRC के लिए? It's not important. See, basically VRC, the main skill that is tested is comprehension skills, your ability to understand what is written. यानी आप समझ सकते हो कि नहीं उतना test, that is the main thing that is tested as such. So the second thing is that if you are able to understand, sometimes when the language is tricky, then grammar can play a small role in whether you understand what is there in the passage or you don't understand what is there in the passage. So grammar's role is very, very small, but it is mostly related to comprehension. If you're able to understand, then that is enough. You don't need to be able to write grammatically correct sentences or know exactly, okay, where singular should come, plural should come. You don't need to know all of those things actually. So in VRC, grammar plays very, very, very small role, if any at all. I would say it plays no role, but I would say very, very small role, if any at all. What is the main skill that you need to do well in the VRC section? You need comprehension skills. If you have good comprehension skills, if you can read a passage, understand what is given, and then solve questions based on that, that is enough. So the main skill is, see, even if you are somebody who is not from English medium, if you are from a vernacular medium, अगर आप पैसेज को पढ़ सकते हो, समझ सकते हो और सही आंसर चुन सकते हो, that is all that is needed. You do not need grammar, you do not need a very high funda vocabulary. All of that is not needed at all. So if you are under that misconception, clear that misconception, that is not needed. Many people feel that I'm from a vernacular medium, I'm good at quant, I'm good at LRDI, but verbal VRC is beyond me. But that is not true at all. This skill in VRC is very closely related to quant and LRDI skill, because in all of these three sections, you have to basically understand information. In quant, you have to understand quantitative or numerical information. In LRDI, you have to understand logical information. And in VRC, you have to understand verbal information. If you can understand, okay, this person is going at this speed, that person is coming at that speed. So what is going on there? If you are able to understand, you will do well in quant. If you are able to understand logical, this person can be selected only if another person is selected. If you can understand logical information like that, you will do well in the LRDI section. If you can understand verbal information, that somebody is writing that, okay, this policy is bad because of X, Y, Z reasons, then if you can understand what is the main argument that the author is trying to make, you can do well in the VRC section. So all is just basically understanding and comprehending information. That's it. There is no grammar, vocabulary, none of that plays any significant role in the CAT exam as such.